The UN EAR, Watchman Program Alliance, building an international renewables facilities industry. The United Nations, Europe, America, Russia, working together for a prosperous, peaceful resolution. The $1 trillion Nations Plan, stabilizing the world economically and ecologically, establishing 42 million jobs, generating over $4.2 trillion globally, manufacturing portable homes, schools, offices, emergency medical units, military facilities, renewable fuel stations, portable farms, and desalination water systems, all operating on multiple renewable energy technologies. By Chuck Thompson, Director of World Emergency. The Watchman Program, sponsored by corporations globally. The UN EAR, United Nations, Europe, America, Russia, is a global wealth sharing plan, a joint venture between nations to manufacture renewable energy facilities for themselves and other countries throughout the global community. Building this renewable facilities industry within the G8 will establish 8 new world markets almost simultaneously across the globe. Energy efficient, smart, portable homes, schools, offices, emergency medical units, military facilities, renewable fuel stations, portable farms, and desalination water systems, all utilizing multiple renewable energy technologies. Yes, like your smartphone, smart facilities will be built. This new intelligent facilities industry, again, will generate 42 million jobs and generate $4.2 trillion annually. Global citizens working together, producing profits and growing green for the global good, will generate peace throughout the UN EAR, Europe, America, Russia, and yes, a little more peace even within the Middle East. The details are in the book entitled Reconciling Us a Revolution. The proposal within is called the Watchman Program. Please contact Chuck Thompson, Director and author of World Emergency. Chuck at worldemergency.com, 626-243-8200. You can review the entire video presentation at watchmanprogram.com. I'm looking forward to working with you all soon.